today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can go and update your old Android version like Jelly Bean, KitKat, Lollipop, Marshmallow or even Nougat to the latest Android version 8.0 means Oreo guys. So finally firstly guys Jelly Bean, after that KitKat, then Lollipop, then Marshmallow, then Nougat and then this one that is Oreo guys. So guys, let's gonna watch how to update this new version in our Android device. So without being said, let's gonna start this video guys. But before we started with this video, I'm just want to tell you that if you don't subscribe to our channel and watching our video, then all you can need to do is just tap on the red subscribe button and make sure you are subscribing to our channel and give a well deserved thumbs up for this one video guys. So let's gonna finally start this video guys. So if I update any one video on my YouTube channel, then I will firstly give some links of that, and that link I give in description and my Facebook page guys. But before we started with this video, link in the description guys. You just tap on that link and go to our Facebook page, and you need to just hit the like button, because a lots of games link that I will provided you in the my Facebook page. So if you like that button, then I will update any type of link that is coming in your timeline guys. So without being said guys, let's gonna start with this video guys. For guys updating Oreo in your Android device guys, you just need three applications, and that is are on your screen. Firstly, you just need an rooted phone guys. So if you have a rooted phone, then watch this video till the end guys. So you just need to do is just Xpose installer is installed in your Android device. So how to install it? So I'm going to show you guys. So there are three links guys in the description. You can watch that description, but you don't need to go this time in the description, because if you bug this video this time, then you will need to come again and watch this again, because if you watch step by step, then you can understand all and properly update your Android version to Nougat guys. And this trick is work in any Android device guys to or so Oreo version is one of the great version guys. So firstly you need to do what guys, you just need to, this is the first link, that is Xpose installer. You just need to open it and choose any browser that you prefer for your Android guys. I prefer UC browser for my Android guys, so I will choose UC browser guys. So guys, I just want to tell you guys, if you don't subscribe our channel, then please subscribe our channel guys, because there is a lot of video on our channel that is important for you guys. So after opening your UC browser guide, it will be loading the link that will be provided below in the description, and that is the Xpose installer link guys. So you just need to install that one application in your Android device. So after you open this one link, you will get on something like this page, and then your download will be automatically started. And if not started, then you need to click here, then will your downloading will be started guys. So now guys, after this guys, you just need to, after installing this one guys, you just need to install, then you need to install one another application, that is Flashify. So the second one, you just we just need to open the second link, that is the Flashify. So you can get that link in the description guys. So here the Flashify, just we need to open it and choose any browser. I choosing UC browser. So after opening UC browser guys, you can see, we can all seeing that it's coming the Flashify. So you need to download this one guys. You can select any one link, that is ZP-Share, SendPack. In fact, in my opinion, select ZP-Share guys. So after that ones guys, you just need to now install this Android Ofly. So if we go on the Play Store, this is app is paid on Play Store guys. So how to free download, link it in the description guys. You can get that from there guys. So I've just show you, here is the O5 guys. So you just need to tap on this one link and select any browser guys. I choose UC browser. So now till wait it, and then guys something like this one can coming in your Android device guys. So as you can see that this link is not properly, I thought, updated. Let's gonna try again guys. So here the O5, let's gonna browse it and select the UC browser because I'm selecting again because that wrong page is coming again, that this is wrong page in fact. So how to download that I will show you guys. You just need to do is just you just need to open your Google and you need to search here OE5 AP sorry app download. So after you search it like this, and you just need to go and tap on search it, and after that you just need to get the first link guys, that is exposed O5 OE5 exposed guys. So you just need to scroll down here, and there is a download option here, we can see that. So just tap on the download, and then the another application will be coming for download. This is of 3.69 MB. So you need to download it. This is the app, but this is not OE5, this is the AIO downloader. So you need to install that, and after you opening that, the expose installer the OE5 file will be started download APK file. So after download that, you need to install that one in your Android device. So after installing these three applications, you just need to follow my steps very carefully, and it's simple steps guys, not so longer and not so disgusting. So let's gonna start it guys. Firstly guys, you just need to open the Flashify application, and after opening this Flashify application guys, must be thinking that your Android device must be rooted guys. So after open this one, you just need to backup restore, click on backup restore, and after that you need to firstly take a backup of current kernel, and then you need to take a backup of current recovery. So I will get the both of backup, as you can see that down here. So I'm not doing this process again. So after that the Flashify work is done. Now we need to just remove this application from here. So now this is only two applications, one is Android OEFly and second is Exposed installer guys. So you need to now open the Exposed installer. So Exposed installer is the platform that install the modules, and OE5 is a module guys, that the module of new version, that is Oreo guys. So you just need to now here you can see that Exposed framework version 87 is activated. So in after you install this Exposed installer, it will be says is not activated in your Android device, but because I will activated it, and if I will uninstall this one, matlab deactivated this one, then it will tell half hour guys, it will take half hour, and I again install, then it will again take half hour guys. So totally it's waste of time guys. So I will not going to doing this again and again. So firstly, so that you just need to click, as you can see that this right question, this Exposed framework is active, that down below there is a install and update option. So you just need to tap on that once, and after that you just need to install that once. So after that your phone will be automatically rebooted guys. So this process will take up to 15 to 20 minutes guys. So you just don't need to afraid that mobile must be dead or what. So nothing will be happen guys, but you remember one thing, you not think to change battery guys. So you just not going to touch your mobile, just uh, take the mobile time booting guys. So you just need to uh, boot it successfully 15 minutes guys. So after you boot it that one, your Android device guys, you just need to go after opening booting, this will be rebooting guys. This will be showing you Exposed framework is active. Then you just need to tab here, then go to the modules, and after go to the modules guys, you can see the Android OFly application is here guys. So this is the module. So you just need to tick, so we need to tick that, and then it will say to reboot your Android device. Then we need to just reboot your Android device, and after you rebooting will be successfully, as you can see, imagine that I am rebooting, I am doing this all process, so I am not going to doing this again and again. So after rebooting your device, your Android version is updated to Android 8.0. as my notification panel is changed guys. As you can see that here again I am showing you notification panel was changed, the notification size is bigger than better, and recent apps is also guys changed, as we seeing that. So and let's gonna show you some settings of this one module, and this one great module guys. Setting will change all the widgets and all the system will be really changed guys. So this is one the settings guys. This all our settings are going to be changed guys. So let's gonna tap on this one Android version. So as you can see that the Oreo will come is guys. So this is the Oreo, and this by this method you can install this Android 8.0 Oreo in your Android device, and that's for simply guys free. So guys, hope you like this video and give a well deserved thumbs for this video guys. And if you new visitor, then please subscribe to our channel guys, and share this video as possible as your guys. So thanks for this video guys. Give your strong feedback, and if you have any issue and if you have any problem, then please comment below and we will upload a new video over this one guys. So that's it for this video.